Here at Onvoi Interactive, we see the traditional programming box, the ignition button on the front, the connective inputs on the back panel. That's the traditional programming box that will be installed into the television set in the family room and the living room. Then we have the interactive console, which is a very similar hardware console unit that with that 2 push button remote control, consumers will have 2 push button input, audience selection input capability. So that when these boxes, that particular box, the interactive console unit, is installed underneath the television set in the family room, the living room, with that 2 push button remote control, audiences, consumers are going to be able to guide the stories and adventures, programming of all types, endless options in terms of programming opportunities for the interactive console box and for just a regular Onvoi traditional programming box, which will just be basically ordinary streaming. But we have, most importantly, it's the underlying technology that is proprietary to Onvoi technology, the proprietary hardware technology that will enable new and exciting programming, entertainment experiences, opportunities in the living room in terms of the programming, cost-effective and easy to install, connective inputs that will allow connection to not just a TV, but many other exhibition platforms, even a personal computer, what have you. We're tinkering the one in the back, the interactive module, the interactive unit for the living room, for the family room, for the home entertainment setting. That eventually, that console box is going to enable interactive cinema. Because if we make some engineering tweaks here and there, you're going to see that that box will be able to be installed in movie projection rooms or projection booths or really anywhere in the movie theater, so that wirelessly a radio frequency signal and an infrared signal can connect the remote control that the audience with the 2 push button capability will be able to submit through interactive choice technology, ICT technology. Consumers in cinemas and in the living room in the home entertainment market with that 2 push button remote control and the hardware receiver units that correspond with the remote controls, all proprietary to Onvoi technology. It's going to be very exciting because there's going to be productive changes and exciting innovations that take place both for direct-to-consumer markets and theatrical markets, meaning movie theaters, local movie theaters eventually all over the world. So we're making fantastic progress, and stay tuned for further updates, further presentations. And thank you so very much for listening. Have a wonderful day. I'm Jacob Fairmont, and on behalf of Onvoi Technology, God bless you and take care.